Have you ever wondered why so many pregnant women swear by a simple cup of ginger tea? Ginger tea is a warm herbal drink made by steeping fresh or dried ginger root in hot water, sometimes mixed with lemon or honey for extra flavor and soothing benefits. During pregnancy, the body goes through major hormonal shifts that can trigger morning sickness, nausea, bloating, and digestive discomfort, making many women search for gentle, natural relief options. Ginger has long been known in traditional medicine for its anti-nausea, anti-inflammatory, and digestion-supporting properties, which is why ginger tea often becomes a comforting daily ritual for expecting moms. One of the main reasons pregnant women use ginger tea is to help ease morning sickness, especially in the first trimester when nausea can be at its worst and most exhausting. The warm liquid can relax the stomach, while the active compounds in ginger may help reduce the feeling of queasiness and the urge to vomit. Many women also find that sipping ginger tea throughout the day helps with gas, bloating, and slow digestion, which are very common and uncomfortable symptoms during pregnancy. Instead of sugary sodas or heavily caffeinated drinks, ginger tea offers a calmer alternative that feels both nurturing and hydrating. Some moms say that the gentle spiciness and aroma of ginger tea help them feel grounded and less overwhelmed when hormones and emotions are running high. For others, the simple act of pausing to make a warm cup becomes a small self-care ritual that brings comfort and a sense of control. It is important, however, for pregnant women to drink ginger tea in moderation and always talk with their healthcare provider about how much is safe for their specific situation. Certain medical conditions, medications, or high-risk pregnancies may require extra caution, even with natural remedies like herbal teas. Choosing pure ginger tea without added caffeine, artificial sweeteners, or strong herbal blends can help keep it gentler on the body. Some women prefer using fresh ginger slices at home so they can control how strong the tea is and adjust it to their taste and tolerance. Others might choose ready-made ginger tea bags for convenience, especially when nausea or fatigue makes preparation feel like too much effort. Ultimately, ginger tea is used during pregnancy because it offers a simple, cozy way to seek relief from nausea and digestive discomfort while supporting a calm, mindful moment in a very intense life chapter. If you found this helpful and want more gentle wellness tips for pregnancy and beyond, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video.